everyone, good morning to you all. Welcome to my YouTube channel English with Gramin Sir. Today my topic is how is my teaching journey these days. So let's about this topic. These days I am teaching in different way because I want to teach students with carefully because I want to learn something from my students books too because lots of word meaning available in my student books and these word meaning I don't know about this word meaning. So I have decided to, if I teach students carefully and if even I didn't know lots of word meaning, even I don't know lots of word meaning. So I search in translate and I find out. After find out, I write down on board, and I also increasing my vocabulary day by day from my school student books because if I want to speak English in good level, then these words is not enough for me to speak English in good level. So if I want to speak English in good level, then word meaning increasing is very necessary for me. So I increase every day, not so much vocabulary. I increase 10 vocabulary, 15 vocabulary every day because when I talked with lots of people, but I failed. When I talk with them, I use same words many times while talking time with someone. So I have decided to not use same words again and again while talking with some people. I always try to use new words while speaking time with someone because if you will talk with someone and while talking with you will use new vocabulary, then other people will think and will know, wow, this person has lots of knowledge. So and definitely if you want to do good things in your future in out of Bihar, if you want to go to out of Bihar for looking for any good job, then if you want to get a good job, then definitely uh, you need to good English. And if you have a good English, if you are able to speak English in good level, in advanced, not in intermediate level, then definitely you will get a good job easily. And if you don't have more knowledge about English, then it is very tough to you to get a good job in for yourself out of Bihar because lots of people is learning English, not one two. I think lots of many lakhs people is trying to speak English these days, but some people, I think 10% people is speaking English in good level, by otherwise 90% is people is not able to speak English in good level. So I want to include myself in 10% people because if I want to do different things, good things in my life, because I was trying to do good things in my life for a long time, but I I don't want to get more time for myself. So I have decided to, first of all, I will live for other place because if I will live here and if I would have lots of knowledge, then with knowledge I don't do anything for myself. So if I want to do good things for myself, then I will live for other place, not here. So I always try to do good things, but in this time, I am making two types of notes at my home because notes is very important, and without notes, how can I speak English in good level? And when I get a stuck while speaking time, then I will search. I will have to search on mobile, and I don't watch mobile so much because of eye problem. So if I would have notes, then definitely I will open my notes book and I will get everything, so who I need. So I always try to do different things, but in this time, last I think these days and in this time, I'm not doing different. I think I'm not doing different and doing good things, but I hope I will do good things in upcoming time because I am fully believe on myself. So thank you so much. Bye.